New listing alert. Bitget has a joyful listing as Hippo token is now listed on Bitget exchange, and as usual many event is currently showering this token as they are celebrating its listing on the CANDYBOMB section. So without further ado, let's get to it. So what is Hippo? Hippo is a meme token that becomes scarcer over time. This is modeled after coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and is designed to encourage price growth. HIPP will be used to incentivize exchange listings, fund relationships with big-name influencers, and pay for other marketing campaign activities like bounty programs, press releases, public events, and partnerships. Hippo is a long-term project, and dedicated to putting their tokens back into the community to foster real growth over time. Hippo is making big moves. So how do you participate and get tickets on this event, which has a good chunk of rewards? There is a several method, and I will explain down below. First of all, let's start with how to participate. 1. Users who sign up during the promotion. 2. Go to the CANDYBOMB page and use the register button. 3. Bitget will begin calculating the spot trading and futures volumes and referrals only after the user completes registration for the promotion. After that, you will be given two options, by deposit pool and also spot trading pool. Here are the details. 1. Reach a certain trading volume during the promotion to get tickets, which only spot trades are included. Spot trading includes spot copy trading, strategy copy trading, spot margin trading, and token trading. 2. Reach a certain net deposit volume during the promotion to get tickets. You will get tickets based on your HIPP net deposit volume. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.